Bro. Today we are discussing about the step of taking case of ship damage action to regain stability and counter checking effectiveness. So, ship damage at the sea must result from pollution, ground, grounding, fire, flooding, heavy weather, structural failure, or cargo lifting. When the damage occurs, the USS stability can be seriously affected, placing the ship, crew, passenger, and cargo at risk. Proper emergency response procedure is essential to manage danger and restore the vessel stability. The report discusses steps to taking case of ship damage, the action used to regain stability, and the method to counter checking the effectiveness of those actions. So, first step, assess the situation. The type, the first action they immediately determine. So, muna yung button kung nasa damage sa barko. So, the say types of damage. First is the type of damage. Asa dapit kuan. Na sunod, the location of damage. Iyon yung naman mo illocate ko asa dapit ang the damage. So, the third is extended flooding structural failure. The number four, the effect of ship stability and buoyancy. So, the officer on watch must report incident to Captain Engine Room to immediately. So, second step is the sound the alarm. The general emergency the general emergency alarm should be activated to alert the crew members. Station must be managed according to ship emergency plan. So third, ensure safety to personnel. So crew and passenger must to move away with dangerous areas such as flooding apartments. So the next, fire zone. Ang pangkatulo, areas with toxic gas. Or for structural weekend section. So, life-saving equipment should be proper if abandonment become necessary. So, for control the flooding damage, so control nyo na. Damage control team should close watertight door and hatch, isolate the damaged compartment, use the pump to remove the water, apply temporary patch to shoring, reduce the increase and quick action help prevent progressive flooding. So, five, next action is evaluate, evaluate, evaluate stability conditions. So, officers will be calculate or estimate the place and trim. Second is pressure press effects. Third is draft change. Four is remaining buoyancy. So, five is metacentric height or GM. This helps determine the water the vessel remains safe. So, narin siya. GM equals kilometer minus kj. So, where? Asa na siya? Ang 5 is metacentric height ang GM. So, ang KM, height of the metacenter above the keel. And the KJ, height of the center of the gravity of the keel. Posibleng tunga na sa barko ang bukan bahagi. Capacity GM indicates stable condition. So, number 6. The communicate the request assistant. The master should contact nearby vessel to coastal authorities if assistance is required. Distress signal may be transmitted with the necessary. So, next action is action to regain stability. Counter yung flooding. So, counter flooding involves internally flooding compartment of the opposite side of damage to reduce accessibility. Advantage muna advantage niya. Reduce heel angle and sunod improve balance. Disadvantage niya reduce reverse buoyancy. Sunod, may increased draft. Increase yung draft. Counter flooding should be only conducted under the proper super, supervision. So, next action is balancing operation. Balancing water may be transferred between the tanks to improve stream stability. Muna ang mga action include. So, filling low side ballast tank, empty high side tank. Sunod, correctly trained by low or trip. That's all.